यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning. Children, it is very important for all of us to keep motivated. More importantly, the word motivation is important in this era, this time, when we are all locked down due to coronavirus. If we don't keep ourselves motivated, it could be disastrous. It could have its far-reaching impact on our intrinsic and cognitive thinking process. So, keeping oneself in the mode of positivity is very important, and especially for children, not only keeping motivated, but you have to keep on going. As usual, my emphasis would be on building word power and speaking out sentences that you can construct after making meaningful, journey through the sentences or the words which you have learned. Now today the word is obstinate. You must have heard somebody in your neighborhood, जैसे कुछ बच्चा होता है बहुत ही जिद्दी होता है, come what may, he or she is not going to relent. Relent मतलब मानने को तैयारी नहीं है. अपने आसपास देखो, अपनी बोलचाल की भाषा में देखो कि हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड बोल देते हैं जिसका मीनिंग पता नहीं होता, बट इन यूजुअल कोर्स वी कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग. बट इसे बोलते हैं ना सोने पे सुहागा, all the more it becomes very important, and it looks very easy if we know the meaning and we can know its synonyms and antonyms. Thereby we can have plethora of sentence construction opportunities. I have used the word plethora, Plethora. If you can do that, it could be simply awesome. I have also used the word awesome, AWESOME. Awesome मतलब बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ गया, that kind of attitude. So let me discuss in detail the word obstinate. किसको बोलते हो obstinate? जैसे मैंने हिंदी बताया, वो जिद्दी किस्म का व्यक्ति, बहुत ही जिद्दी, किसी की बात मानता ही नहीं है. He is so adamant. Adamant मतलब कुछ भी कह लो, जैसे होता है ना चंद्र तरह सूरज तरह, कुछ भी हो जाए, लेकिन उसकी बात से इधर एक सेकेंड भी डगमग नहीं होने का. One who is totally unrelentless, who does not move away from the original point which he has taken or she has taken. Now, come what may, I am not going to burst from my stand. So that's very very frustrating at times, seeing such kind of characteristics of a personality. आपने देखा होगा भैंसे की सोच, बुल हेडेड, जिसे देखते होगे, you must have seen the bull fight. कितना भी कर लो, if there are two bison or buffalo, if they start, they lock their horn, they will fight to the finish. So these are some of the characters of obstinate personalities. They will never budge. They are very strong-minded. Of course, this word is most of the time goes in negative sense. He or she made dogged effort to persuade that gentleman, but he was totally adamant. He did not budge away from his original thinking. B-U-D-G-E, budge, unmoved. So such characters are called obstinate characters, hard-headed, absolutely hard-headed. Mind you, these are the synonyms which I am talking about. Adamant, bull-headed, hard-headed, hard-nosed. ना की बात हो गई है. I never change my stand. What I thought, I stick to it. These are the definitions of obstinate characters. Headstrong. Nah, I'm not going to move away from my stand. It is said, no, never try to convince that gentleman. He is very headstrong, very, very obstinate. These words are being talked of in continuations of meaning of the word obstinate. O-B-S-T-I-N-A-T-E. Immovable. Immovable. जो इधर से उधर नहीं हो सकता. एक होता है मूवेबल, फ्लेक्सिबल. चलो यार, आपने उनको कन्विंस किया, अंडरस्टूड. But such characters are totally immovable. I-M-M-O-V-A-B-L-E. Immovable. इसे देखते हैं ना, rock, the mountains, the trees are immovable. Can you move them from one place to the other? You can't. Can you move a plant from one place to the other? You can't. Without uprooting them. Implicable, inconceivable और inconvincible. आप उसको कन्विंस नहीं कर सकते. एक होता है बंदा, you can easily convince him, you can persuade him, but such characters cannot be persuaded. You must have seen in Mahabharata. I'll give you one example from Mahabharata. Even Lord Krishna tried to persuade the Kauravas, who were headed by Dhritarashtra, of course, their father, and Duryodhana. But they were totally obstinate. They said, not even an inch of land I am going to concede to Pandavas. So such characters are called obstinate characters. Characters who have least regard for any kind of convincing or any kind of acceptance of other views. They are totally dogmatic. If they are convinced, they will go by their own thinking and thought process. Like you must have seen some of the radical elements. These days, we are seeing many radical elements. Governments are convincing them that you have to be inside home. You have to be under self-isolation. But they are such obstinate characters that they will assemble in place of worship and they will defy. Come what may, surmountable efforts that you are going to put in to convince them, they will never budge. They will do what they have decided. So such characters are called obstinate characters. Inflexible. एक होता है flexible. It can bend, malleable, flexible. But such characters are inflexible. जिद्दी. ये सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन वैसे ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में हो रही है, which is totally inflexible, adamant, unmoved, unconvinced. They are not going to be convinced. Bull-headed. There is one beautiful word, obdurate. Durate. It was the obduracy or obstinate policy of Kim Jong of North Korea, that he kept on practicing atomic research. He moved towards explosion of atomic power, atomic experimentations. So such characters are called one-sided. They never listen to world outside or any kind of prudent thinking. They will do what they have decided. One word is also used for obstinate is stubborn. 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 Who is stubborn? Who doesn't listen to anybody? You must have seen some of the child born in some of the families, right from the very beginning, from the birth. They are very stubborn. Such fellows, sometimes it has been seen that they inherit certain genetic qualities. Father was stubborn, mother was stubborn, so the children also become stubborn. Children sometimes are also referred to as offspring. OFFSPRING, offsprings. Sons and daughters are referred to as offsprings. Offspring means children, sons and daughters. Those who are flexible, they are called bending. But these stubborn characters, these obstinate characters, or those characters who have obstinacy, they are unbending. They are totally unrelentless. They will never listen to anybody. They will do what they have decided to. Uncompromising. कुछ भी हो जाए वो compromise नहीं करता. Such are the definitions of obstinate characters. Such characters never listens to anybody. And it is always said that children should be very, very compromising in nature. Because you have to meet several kind of personality at school, in the society, in the surrounding, even at your home. Maybe that your father, your mother, and there are so many members, family members at home itself, whom you have to listen to. But if you are opinionated about only one directions, you will find lot of difficulties in maneuvering your day-to-day existence. Therefore, it is always considered to be better that you should be compromising in nature. Of course, there are certain areas where you have to have a feeling where obstinacy is considered to be very nice. When the question of national patriotism comes, there we cannot compromise. But in day-to-day life, in life where we have to live for sustenance, we have to be compromising. So my dear children, I have used few words like adamant, I have used the word obdurate, I have used the word high-headed, inflexible, uncompromising, unrelentless, self-knit, stubborn, obdurate. Of course, these words are going to be written at the end on the screen itself, so that you can take the screenshot and write it down. But for your convenience, I have made it simpler. At the very outset, I gave you the meaning. The word obstinate means, हिंदी में जिसको बोलते जिद्दी, कुछ भी कर लो, टस से मस नहीं होगा. So finally, father says, you have decided that you are going to be obstinate and you are going to be unflinching. You are not going to compromise. Son says, yes, I have decided that I am not going to compromise. So this is not uncompromising. This is called an act of obstinacy. Now let us see if we can find some words in antonyms. These are the words which I explained you. It was in support or corroborative to synonyms. Like words, similar words. Now let us see if we can find some words in antonyms. Amenable, Have you seen a boy or a girl? You say anything, okay, I listen to you. Very nice, very, amenable. Amenable means adjusting according to the situation. If somebody asks you to do something, he or she judges on the merits of the case. Unlike obstinate characters, you say anything, whatever, whether politely or harshly, they will prefer to break but not to bend. But such is not the characteristics of amenable characters. They listen to your requests, they listen to your love and affection, and they are called amenable children. Amenable personality. If I am allowed to say so, I can use the word. Sometimes in summer, it's very harsh climate, harsh weather outside. Means April, May and June is going to be unchanged. Right from 7 o'clock in the morning, sunrise, after sunrise, till sunset, it's very hot, scorching hot. That is called unrelenting weather. But here, the antonyms of obstinate is amenable. A-M-E-N-A-B-L-E. Submissive. Not very strong-headed. As I gave you in synonyms, it was bull-headed. Here it is submissive. If you rebuke, if you chide, or if you scold, they have the tendency or the capacity to be submissive. They listen to your orders. They listen to your request. Not exactly orders always, request also. Agreeable. They have a point of convergence, they agree to you. They listen to you. They listen to you. And they come to a point of convergence that yes, of course, we agree. But this is not the case in obstinacy. They will not listen to you. They will stick to the point where they are decided to. Good or bad, right or wrong, they will stick to their own point. But in antonyms, it's not the case. It is ulta. Flexible, they are not flexible. Synonyms, not flexible. Antonyms, flexible. Surrendering, they will surrender. As I told you, if they are obstinate, they will prefer to be killed, or they will prefer to be broken rather to bend. But here they will surrender. That is antonyms. Cooperative. They cooperate. You ask something, you request them, they will cooperate. Okay, I'll look into your request. So they are cooperative. Obedient. Obstinate children are very stubborn, very hard-headed, strong-willed, and they are very obdurate. But here it is obedient. They are very obedient, polite. Willing. They are unwilling. In synonyms, I told you they are unwilling. They will never listen to you. But here in antonyms, they are willing. Okay, what do you say? Dad, you said so. Okay, I'll go as per your suggestions, Papa. But some of the children are so obstinate, they are so obdurate, they are so unwilling, they are non-relenting. They will never budge. Non-yielding. YIELDING. आपने देखा होगा कभी पार्लियामेंट में डिबेट होता है तो सपोज द मिनिस्टर इज आंसरिंग, some of the opposition leaders they will stand, but the minister says no, I am not yielding, I am not going to listen to you. Though an act of obstinacy, but that is in a positive sense. I will never listen to you. Let me finish my statement. So that is non-yielding in synonyms. Antonyms, it is yielding. They listen to you. Yielding मतलब आपकी बात मान जाना. Okay, I am yielding to you. YIELD. YIELDING. Yielding. Soft. Obstinate children are very aggressive and offensive. Whereas, on contrary, those who are not obstinate, I'm talking about the antonyms. They are soft and irresolute. They are resolute. Come what may, I can break myself, but I will never bend. But they will not break, they will listen to you. So, my dear children, my cognitive desire has been that I should always give you new words along with their meaning and coupled with their synonyms and antonyms, so that you can pick these words, look their meaning into dictionary and start, writing synonyms, antonyms side by side, so that once you compare, lot many words are going to be remembered by you within no time, and all the more it becomes very scientifically understood. So, understandability aspect is also on a rising graph. You can always think in a positive manner and develop a habit of speaking. Once you develop the habit of speaking, it's the habit which is very important. Not that how much word power you know. Of course, once you develop the habit, you will definitely be inclined to learn more and more words. So, try to learn words, try to use those words, and once you have learned and spoken those words, try to write as many pages as you feel like, so that these words which are till now belongs to dictionary, or say William Webster's dictionary or Roger Thesaurus's, becomes your own household words. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि